Hello everyone. Today is August 25th, 2024. It's Sunday and welcome to Unday Radar Talks. GameStop stock has not fluctuated much in the last 8 trading days. On August 19th, the stock price rose to $23.1 and then retreated. The stock price never returned to that position in the following 4 trading days, which reflects the lack of momentum for the stock price to rise. Technically, the stock seems to have formed a round top, and the trading volume on Friday was significantly enlarged. It seems that big capital has taken some action. Is this a good thing or a bad thing? Data shows that the daily short-selling ratio of the stock was 12.3% on August 22nd, and this ratio rose to 15% on August 23rd. Although the increase in the short-selling ratio does not mean that the stock price will definitely fall, it at least shows that after a few days of consolidation, the stock price has not been able to break through further, so the market bearish sentiment has increased. In fact, after 8 days of consolidation, the stock has accumulated a large number of transactions between $21.90 and $22.40. If the stock price can gain a foothold in this range, it may rise to $24 or above, but if it cannot, the stock price can only rise better after squatting, so the position of $21.90 may be broken. At present, the second situation may be more likely to happen, because the closing price on August 23rd has fallen below the 5-day moving average. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. The capital of the stock was net outflow from August 16th to August 22nd. Even though the stock hit the highest closing price in August on August 19th, the capital still had a net outflow of $2.7 million on that day. Obviously, a lot of funds flowed out of the market at the level of $22.40, so the stock price lost the momentum to rise. The net capital inflow of the stock on August 23rd was $350,000. But here it needs to be analyzed in combination with the stock price trend on that day. Although the capital flow was net inflow, most of the transactions on that day were completed above the closing price through the 15-minute chart of the stock, so this is more like a signal of capital outflow from the market. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. $21.90 is a relatively concentrated area of the current position distribution of the stock. The current stock price is struggling at this level, but what is not optimistic is that most of the positions in this area come from the 8-day consolidation stage of the stock, which means that the accumulated positions here are actually caused by recent short selling. So this once again proves that large funds have exited the market at the level of $22.40. Of course, if the bulls can digest these chips and maintain the stock price still has hope to continue to rise, but the closing price on August 23rd has fallen below the 5-day moving average, which reflects that the bulls are still weak. If the stock market develops in an unfavorable situation next week, the stock may also fall. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. Although the current price of the stock has not yet fallen below the key support level of $21.90, I seem to have seen a signal that the stock price has lost capital support. So I think the stock will fall next week. As for the target price, I set a range between $20.80 and $21.90. Okay guys, that's my price prediction for GameStop stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks in the future. See you in the next video.